Hello guys, my name is Cody, also known as ByronPoon Xbox Live. I'm back with this Xbox. I'm going to be trying to take apart the disk drive, the tray inside, to see if the rubber band, I guess you can call it a belt, the belt is getting bad on this. Because sometimes when we go to open it, see right now, it's doing it. It will not open. It does a little tink, and then it does not open whatsoever. But then it does that. Let me do it again. See, it does it only sometimes. I don't get it. Now it's working fine. See, I got to see it. In my last video, I was taking apart the stuff to see, because I actually got the red ring on here, and I didn't suffocate or anything, because it would work fine, because I didn't want to risk breaking anything else. So I'm gonna be on here taking it apart. I just turned on the controller, just so you know. Those videos ain't on YouTube yet. It might be up within the next couple days of me making this video. I'll put when I recorded this in the description, because it's the 1st of July right now. I don't know when I'm going to be getting around to editing and uploading stuff, so let's turn this off real quick. You can hear that stage running. I'm not sure if that's right for this model or not, but sometimes you can see that light turn on and off. It's too hot, but I just barely just turned it on. Now it turned off. Alright. Let's do this again. See, it kind of hesitated for a minute. It was didn't want to open, then it spat it open. So, well, you can have this thing. That's what I thought. See, then it still stays like that. It's gonna probably flash. Yep. I don't know why. It probably just needs new thermal paste or something, but let's test it one more time to make sure it's not going to get red ring. Nope. Cool. Alright. Unplug everything, of course. And now, I'm going to read something very thin. This could work. Now I'm just going to look for these little tabs on the top. They're everywhere. I'll see if I can get this off, and I'm going to be cutting the video until I get all the shells off and everything. They're all gotta find little tabs in these holes. If you hold it up to light, I have a little lamp right there. That was really bright. But hold it up to light and you can figure out where the little tabs are. And you can pull, take them, and then you can get them loose, the little side panels. And I'm going to cut ahead in the video. Alright guys, I'm back. I just got the little side panels off. I'm just using a teeny tiny little Allen wrench. If it'll zoom in and focus. Anyway, just something thin that'll fit in these holes. So it'll poke the little tabs. Once you're poking these little things, you're poking them down, so then it'll come out. And then I'm going to take this other shell off and everything. All this outer shell, I'm going to turn the Xbox on to make sure it still works, because sometimes whenever I'm moving it around a lot, then sometimes it did it. When I was taking the shell off, I was down on the floor taking the shell off. I was moving it around quite a lot to get the shell off, and then taking out that little piece that was broke off in there. I'll see if I can find the part that I was looking at. I was taking this little broken thing off because it was back there by the fans. I didn't want it to lock up the fans or anything. So then that's when it red ringed the first time, and it's been doing it off and on now, the red ring. But it hasn't done it really lately. Just yesterday it did it 3 or 4 times. And just that one time I did it on video too, so I'm going to cut ahead in the video again until I get the other shell off, and then we can get ready to open it up. Alright guys, I took the outer shells out, and I took out all these screws. They're all loose, everywhere. I'm going to pull them all out now. They're really, really long. I'll pull them out, and then take the top off, and then we'll see if it works still. So that stuff over there. Now I have to flip the Xbox over. and see if we can get the top off. Just like that. Then we're to the insides. We're exactly where I need to be. Alright, I'm going to do this. Do not, if you're doing this for some reason, do not touch any of the circuitry whenever you have your Xbox plugged in. And make sure you're don't have anything unplugged, because you could get banned from Xbox Live. I'm going to plug in everything I can. I'm going to turn on my controller. We still work. No red ring. Everything's good. And home screen's on. Alright, I'm going to cut ahead in the video until I get the drive out and get it opened up. And then we can do that stuff. So I'll see you guys whenever I get to open the, as soon as I get the disk drive open. Alright guys, I just finally got the thing open. I cleaned it out pretty good. There's quite a bit of dust in it and everything. Like there's some like in the little crevices I can't really get to because I don't have nothing thin enough for it right now. But I looked at the there's a little bolt down there. I looked at it and it looks pretty good, so I'm just gonna hook it back up really quick, and then I'm gonna make sure that I can open it up real quick, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Plug back in the wires. And then set this where it's supposed to, back in here. Plug the power in. And then power it up. You can see the stuff all moving. And then open that up really quick. And while I'm doing this, turn the power off. But now I have excess because it locks it whenever it turns off. Get more of that dirt out of there. That's just more dirt to be able to get into the other insides that could damage. Pull this out just a little bit. Already unplugged power, don't worry about that. Get the wires unplugged really quick. This thing will just unplug. Alright, I'm going to cut ahead in the video until I get the wires undone, and then I'll show you guys what I'm talking about with the inside of this, and I'll cut it in the video. Alright guys, I have it all opened up, and now I can show you guys what I'm talking about with what the problem would usually be. Is it's right there. That would be like the band would get worn out, but mine looks pretty good. I don't know why it would lock up like that sometimes, but what happens is whenever this thing shuts, this little thing right here, it's a little like slidey bar, like it locks it shut, so then like as soon as the game gets done like spinning, and then it can slow down before it like opens it up, otherwise the disc could go flying, so then it like just waits for it. But everything looks pretty good down here. I was doing this quite a bit. Looks pretty good. It might just need grease or something down there, but for right now, I'm gonna put everything back together, and I'm not gonna put the shell on just yet. And then I'm gonna see if everything works, and I'll bring you guys back to it. And I'm gonna cut ahead in the video until I get the disk drive placed back in, and see if it'll work. Alright guys, I'm back. Me being the stupid one that I am, I put a Blu-ray disc in an Xbox 360, and that don't work. I was like really confused, because like nothing would pull up on the screen at all, like no disk error or anything. And then I was like, oh, I just remembered that 360s don't play Blu-ray, so I grabbed a DVD, and let's toss it in, see if it works. It's reading it. We have success. I don't want to get too much of the screen. Yeah. So anyway, it does work now. Well, it did anyway, but hopefully I cleaned it up good enough so the thing can keep opening up right. If it don't, then I can take the whole disk drive apart again and take out like more pieces of it and lube stuff up in there, because this is a 2010 version. It's 5 years old. Dang, that's long. But this thing was made in February 4th, 2010, because I got all the model numbers and all that other fun stuff off of it, just in case I need to get replacement parts for some reason. I have a lot of cash on me right now, so I could be just messing around with it. You can probably hear that a little bit. Anyway, it does work, so happy about that. It does act like it opens way better, so hopefully we'll be good on that. So anyway, I'm gonna put everything back together, then I'll put my Xbox back where it's supposed to be, and then I'll show you guys it all put back together, and I'll do a couple tests on it and make sure it works fine. And I'll see you guys in a minute as soon as I cut ahead in the video. Alright guys, I am back and everything is put back together. I don't have my hard drive on it because I'm going to try to do the red ring on it, if it'll work. And everything works right now. I'm going to go quickly grab a towel and I'll see if the thing works. It works. Sounds a little bit better. Sounds a lot better than it did. I'm going to go grab a towel and then I'm going to wrap the 360 up on it and see whenever it red rings, and then I'll bring you guys back whenever it red rings, and then we can go from there, and then check some more stuff and make sure that it's going to stay working, and I'll cut it in the video till it gets red ringed again. Alright guys, I'm back. It red ringed for just a split second and then went to 2 rings. That means it's going to shut off, so keep it wrapped up. It was a tough Xbox. It's been almost going for a half hour wrapped in this towel. It's really, really, really hot. Like, it could, like, start breaking stuff. Shut itself off. Power brick is on standby. Alright, so now I'm just going to unwrap it. Oh, that's hot. Get air, buddy. Breathe. Breathe. Breathe, buddy. Breathe. I wonder how long it takes that for it until it shuts down or whatever. And my battery's almost dead. Anyway, I'll just keep an eye on that really quick while I grab my charger. Still flashing. The Xbox is like really, really hot. It's probably as hot as concrete, probably on a hot day. It's about as hot as it is. I wonder if I can turn it off. Yep, I can. I wonder if I can turn it on. Oh, I can. Screen, anything gonna pop up? That's loud. I forgot to tell you guys that it was really loud. It was going like it sounded like it was gonna take off. Look, here's the screen. I've never seen this before. Your Xbox 360 console designed to automatically shut down to protect it from insignificant ventilation like other electronic devices. Xbox 360. Yeah, I'm not gonna read it all. gonna let you guys read that all. I'm gonna read it too. Stoves are amplifiers. Okay. You guys might have heard that, but like it was really loud. Now it's starting to like turn itself more quieter. So I'm gonna plug this in here while I'm using the Xbox to charge my iPod while doing a video on it. That's funny. Dang it! It really got quiet. Anyway, it's starting to blow out a lot more heat. What I'm gonna probably do is see if this thing works first. Hey. The reason I was messing with it because it did it just once in a while, but it kind of got annoying because you gotta like really like pound on it so that thing will open. And I'll probably get like an exterior fan for here, and I'm gonna see how much a water cooler is. And now it's really getting quieter. Get a water cooler and install that. But what it says right here is I can get off the screen, press A, and you're back home. I'm going to take a screenshot of that. I'm going to share that on Facebook just because I want to. Anyway, I'm going to unplug everything and I'm going to let this thing cool down, and then I'm going to start it back up and make sure it works, and then this will be the end of this video, and I'm going to cut ahead until I get everything set back up to where it's supposed to be. Alright guys, I'm back. I just turned on the Xbox. Everything is good. The reason I was suffocating it, I didn't say it in the other part. In the other parts of the little thing I'm gonna be like threading together. Because since I took the heatsink off the motherboard, like it was kind of like fused together pretty much. So like I was just gonna fuse it back together, make sure it's all melted back. And I'm on. I don't look like my two friends, whatever friends are on. I didn't get console banned. That's cool. At least I know what I'm doing. It's going to take me quite a long time to edit this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed me doing both of these two videos of trying to fix this Xbox. And hopefully I can get like a water cooler, I guess, and then see how much that is. If it's not that much, then I might get one and install it, and then have a pretty cool customized Xbox. So, if you did in this video, like, comment, subscribe. And I'm pretty sure this tray is working still, but let's try it. Nope, not that. Yep, open right up. Just spaz A. Oh. That's funny. Oh, well, I guess what I'm doing this right now, I guess I'll pop a movie in really quick and see if she'll work. Give me just a second. Let's jam that disc in there. Not really. You can hear it turning on, probably. You can hear it running. It's coming on. I'm going to show you just a little bit of it. See, it's on. Anyway, this has been this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!